excited because of two reasons. The first reason is my cousin sisters came, and the second reason is they bought me a gift. And just think what kind of gift it is. Is it a TV? Is it a Burj Khalifa? Is it a laptop? Is it a phone? Is it an iPad? What is it? But if you guys guess phone, then you're completely wrong. But if you guys guessed an iPad, you guys are correct. So they bought me an iPad. So yeah, so I want to open this. So I thought that I will take a video of me unboxing this. So yeah, let's get into unboxing this. Okay, so I'm going to peel off the clear wrapping. So wow, this is so satisfying. Like, I'll just do a ASMR for you guys. Okay, so let's open it. Oh my goodness. Wait a moment. Wow. Wait, is this the iPad? Yes, this is the iPad. Wait. Okay, so here's the iPad. I'm just going to unwrap it. Another ASMR. Oh wait, what happened? Oh, I ripped it. Oh, I'm speechless. Look at the back side. Whoa, look at the back side. Oh wait, where's the... Oh, look at the back side. Whoa. Looks like so cool, right? Yeah, so over here we also will get the charger, I think. Yeah, see? The charger. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to on it for you guys. Wait, let me just wait. Oh, whoa! Who bit this apple? Someone bit this apple. Wow, this is so cool. Whoa! Oh, it says hello. That's so cute. Wow. Alright guys, alright guys, so I'll just set up my iPad, then I'll come right back.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, so I have set up my iPad and look how cool this looks. It's a space gray color, very cool. And yeah, this is my iPad. Yeah, see, this is my lock screen. It's a moon. And then wait a moment.
5 minutes later.
Wait. Yeah, see, this is the wallpaper of my home screen. Doesn't it look so cool? Yeah, so that's it for this video. If you like this iPad unboxing video, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.